welcome to my YouTube channel Hindustan Times. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss our latest uploads. Today we are going to explore one of the most remarkable and reliable machines in aviation history, the C-130 Hercules in its tanker variant. This aircraft is not only a symbol of strength but also of endurance and versatility, serving militaries and humanitarian missions around the world for decades. The Hercules is a name that carries respect across the aviation world. In its tanker variant, it becomes even more extraordinary. It is designed for one critical role, keeping other aircraft in the sky. Whether it's fighter jets, bombers, or reconnaissance planes, the Hercules tanker extends their range, sustains their missions, and gives them the ability to reach targets or provide support far beyond their normal limits. At the heart of the Hercules tanker are its four powerful turboprop engines. These engines provide immense thrust and are known for their rugged reliability. What makes them special is not just their power but their adaptability. The Hercules can operate from short, rough, or even unprepared runways. This means it can go where other aircraft cannot, delivering support in the harshest conditions, whether in the desert, the jungle, or icy mountain terrain. The defining feature of this variant is, of course, its aerial refueling system. The Hercules is fitted with external pods and drogue hoses, which extend during flight to transfer fuel to other aircraft. This process, known as air-to-air refueling, is one of the most complex maneuvers in aviation. Picture a fighter jet approaching from behind at high speed, aligning perfectly with the hose, and then receiving fuel mid-air. This delicate yet vital operation is made possible by the precision engineering of the Hercules tanker. Inside the cockpit, advanced avionics and controls guide the crew through these missions. Skilled pilots and operators manage everything with accuracy, ensuring that fuel is transferred safely, even in dangerous environments. For them, the Hercules is not just a machine but a trusted partner that can withstand the stress of long missions and unpredictable weather. Step into the cargo bay, and you find yet another side of this aircraft. Despite being a tanker, the Hercules still retains its ability to carry troops, equipment, and humanitarian supplies. This dual capability makes it unique. It can be a refueler one moment and a transporter the next, depending on what the mission demands. That adaptability has made it indispensable to militaries and relief organizations alike. Throughout its history, the Hercules tanker has proven its worth in countless missions. In combat, it has kept fighter jets flying and bombers ready. In peacetime, it has carried aid to disaster zones, fueling not only aircraft but also hope for those in need. Its presence is rarely about fame or recognition. Instead, it quietly ensures that others can achieve their objectives. Every part of its structure tells a story of reliability. Its wide wings, tough fuselage, and refueling systems represent decades of engineering improvements and field experience. Even today, many nations continue to upgrade and operate their Hercules fleets. New technologies are added, but the core spirit of the aircraft remains unchanged: dependable, strong, and adaptable. One of the most unforgettable aspects of the Hercules is its sound. The steady roar of its four turboprops is recognized anywhere in the world. That sound has echoed over battlefields, over earthquake-stricken cities, and over remote regions where hope was desperately needed. To many, the sound of a Hercules overhead is a promise that help has arrived. The tanker variant embodies the idea of teamwork. Its mission is never about acting alone or being in the spotlight. Instead, it exists to support others. Without it, fighters would fall back, bombers would turn around, and surveillance planes would lose their watch. With it, missions succeed. The Hercules proves that real strength sometimes lies in support rather than direct action. From the jungles of Vietnam to the deserts of the Middle East, from humanitarian corridors in Africa to emergency relief after natural disasters, the Hercules tanker has always been there. It has flown in war, in peace, and in crisis, always ready to serve. It has carried not just fuel, but also determination, resilience, and trust. Even today, modern upgrades ensure the Hercules tanker continues its legacy. With advanced avionics, improved efficiency, and extended service life, it remains relevant and reliable in the 21st century. Yet, at its core, the Hercules has not changed. It is still about endurance, still about adaptability, and still about enabling others to succeed. The C-130 Hercules Tanker is not just a machine on display. It is a living legend of aviation. It stands for service, for reliability, and for strength in the skies. As long as there are missions that demand range, endurance, and support, this aircraft will always have a place in the front line of global aviation. So, when you think of machines that define history, remember the Hercules Tanker Variant, a silent guardian, a force multiplier, and a symbol of resilience that has carried generations of missions on its wings.